Hush your childish mouth. You should not talk back to me like that.
That's not how conversation works.
You should know your place. Now go and fetch me some ingredients for this potion that I will make.
Sick of these adults always telling me what to do. Oh, it's you. I see you from across the river. Look, nearly set from this. I wonder what it is. I'll ask a friend. He knows about things like these.
Well, I've seen one of those in my books. I think it's a dragon.
Impossible. We haven't seen it in 1,000 years.
It's a miracle. It should be treasured.
I shall not let this stand. There will not be peace between our tribes, and I must end this nonsense.
What now, Aragorn?
The witches have poisoned the minds of our children. If we are to preserve the ways of our tribe, we must act now, man.
Where is Draco?
He has betrayed us and has joined the witches.
Look, it's hatching.
Prepare to war! Now we will make history down with the dragons!
This battle has been going on for too long. This new life has brought us together. You adults should take a leaf out of our book.
Both of our cultures can make history.